Find the indefinite integral. So we got integral of a fraction. In fact, there is no cancellation. Do not try to cancel anything because x squared minus 4, in fact, this is one block, just one, and here same thing. So there are no cancellations. We have a fraction, and there is no quotient or a fraction rule of integration. Somehow we need to get rid of this fraction. Okay, but the problem here is we cannot just move this up. I mean, we used to see some problems like 1 over x squared dx. At that time, we moved this up, and then the bottom is gone, the fraction is gone. But that's not the case here. And so for these questions, we have to make some type of substitution. Then hopefully we can integrate this. Okay, and so that is called u-substitution. So we'll make u equal something so that the whole problem becomes just one function of u in terms of du, and this function will be easier than this, so that we can integrate. Okay, so this dx should be changed to du, and this one will make u substitution. So let me rest. Generally, I mean, we don't write parentheses, so let u be inside function, and when we have a fraction, the bottom one is the u, because this is more complicated than the top. So we are trying to simplify. So the bottom, x cubed minus 12x plus 6. Okay, so now from this u, hopefully we have this part is done, a function of u. Now we need du from dx, and to get dx here, we find the derivatives of both sides. So derivative of u with respect to x, let's find the derivative. That is 3x squared minus 12 plus 0. Don't have to write. Okay, now we need to get dx by itself. So move dx to the other side. So du equals 3x squared minus 12, that quantity, times dx. Now we divide both sides by this quantity to isolate dx. So du over 3x squared minus 12 equals dx. Now dx is this, and we have u. So let's write down this integral. Okay, I'm going to call this as I, so that I don't have to copy the whole thing. You can copy if you like. Okay, so, and then the integral, the whole problem now becomes x squared minus 4. We have no information because we made this substitution for the bottom, because bottom was more complicated than the top. The bottom is in fact u times dx, and dx is found to be du over 3x squared minus 12. Okay, now here we should be able to cancel all x terms so that the whole thing becomes just some function of u and du, and hopefully this will be much simpler than this, and we can integrate. Okay, so let's think about cancelling x. How? X squared minus 4, 3x squared minus 12. Okay, here we can factor 3 out. That leaves x squared minus 4, then we can cancel. Okay, so this x squared minus 4 is one quantity, by the way, u du over here 3 factors out x squared minus 4, then whole thing cancel. Now we have 3 is number. This 3 can be pulled all the way outside because that's the number. This 3 on the bottom means 1/3. Now 1 over u du. Okay, and now this is familiar, like when we had 1 over x dx, the antiderivative is natural log of absolute value of x plus c. That means here 1/3 natural log of u plus some constant of integration, but u was not in the question, so we need to back substitute u. That is final answer 1/3 natural log of u. U is here, x squared minus 12x plus 6 plus c. Final answer.